What's up, guys? Last night I got an alert that we were gonna have a snowstorm. So me and my buddies got prepared and we got some snow plows. Ooh. Looks pretty snowy out. Okay. Now we're about to go snow plowing. This is just the second day of me having my license, so I need to lower this real quick. Okay. Make sure he's going the right way. Yeah. It's a little icy. Okay, I just made a U-turn and now we're on the opposite side of the road. I thought the snowstorm would be bigger, but I know. I don't know where he is, but it looks like he's missing a few spots, but don't know why he's just sitting there. That's weird. I know in the last video I said no cuts, but that's because I didn't have the app that I'm using this time, so there's gonna be cuts. Because the last video was 15 minutes long. And my buddy is not doing that good of a job. Holy, the snow already is back on the roads. Gosh, I can't get a break. What the? Me and my buddy just met up at the trailer store. I like to purchase this drink right here. I just filled up with gas and now I'm gonna head home. I'm kind of blowing a coal in his face, so hopefully you can see. I'll raise my snowplow. Okay. Go in the house where it's nice and warm. Okay. If you guys like these videos, like for more and go and check out Dusty TV, please.